stickers. Maybe you should clean all the setting powder you spilled on your desk off before you start filming. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Oh boy, do I have a video for you guys today. So roughly, actually exactly 1 year ago, I posted this video, which is now the most watched video on my... Can we not blow out the light bulb right now, please? Thank you. Which is now the most watched video on my channel. Sorry about that, Sephora. And yeah, so I figured as a way to commemorate the anniversary of this horrendous advent calendar unboxing, I was gonna give Sephora another chance. A full year later and we're redoing the Sephora advent calendar, but this year it is for 2019. I have it next to me over here. And yeah, it's been in this box ever since I ordered it. I have not looked at it at all online. I have no idea what's inside of it. I just went to the website, pressed add to cart, threw it in my buggy, checked out, didn't look at the little pictures or anything, no reviews. However, this one did have a higher star rating than last year's, so maybe that means good. Maybe that means it's something much better than last time, because last time was so I'm gonna go ahead and cut on into the cardboard. If you guys want to see that last year's unboxing, don't go watch it, please, because it was copyright claimed for using 3 seconds of a song that literally makes me shudder to my core now every time I hear it. And it happens to be a very popular little ditty. I do refuse to hum it or even make any reference to it because in case those bloodthirsty vultures are gonna swoop back in this holiday season and try to take the rest of the money from anything related to this video. Okay, so my first little gripe with this year's advent calendar, when I received my Sephora package, it was about this big, and I was very confused by that because I assumed the advent calendar was larger. For some unknown reason, Sephora thought it would be a good idea to ship my samples separately. Entirely separate in their own cardboard box about this big. I opened it up and there were like two little foil packets and that was it. At first I thought, oh, I've been blackballed. No longer allowed to buy Sephora advent calendars because last year went not so great. Christmas! So this is the 2019 advent calendar. It's Frosted Party. It actually looks really cute. However, my box is kind of like smushed open a little bit. But apparently there are 24 surprises in here and I think that's more than last time, so that's good. I think the outside packaging, again, really cute. I like the colors and the penguins. I love me some penguins. This calendar was $45, which is pretty expensive for an advent calendar, at least in my mind. Last year I think I picked up the calendar when it was on sale, but this one I'm pretty sure was full price when I bought it. It is nice that it opens up. Definitely looks more impressive than last go around, so that's good. And I like that we have a full, like, why isn't it 25? 25 days of Christmas? That's a thing, right? December 25th, 25 days. Yeah. So anyway, let's find door number 1 and begin opening. Last year there wasn't a single bit of makeup. There really wasn't much worth anything in the calendar, and oh, that's a good sign. The very first thing we have in here is actually a lipstick from Sephora. I'm already more impressed. This calendar is already more worth it than the last one. All right, so we have a little Sephora lipstick here. It looks like there's some like dresses or something hanging on the outside. This is a cream lipstick in the shade Oui. Oh, I actually really like this color. See, Sephora, this is what I'm talking about. Last year, there was no even like Sephora brand makeup in the advent calendar. At least this year we're seeing some makeup and this color is really nice. I am, however, already wearing like 40 layers of lip products, so let's see. Oh, a Domino's receipt. That sounds appropriate for me. Oh, I like this color a lot. It almost looks exactly like the color that I just wiped off my face, but it's really pretty. All right, Sephora, we're off to a much better start here. I hope the rest of the doors aren't filled with just like individual plastic throwaway makeup applicators that you can get yourself just walking around Sephora stores. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, it's so hard for me to find the numbers. Okay, door number 2. Okay. Oh my gosh. Pillow battle. Okay, so the next thing we have here is a Pillow Battle Fizzling Star. I'm assuming this is some type of like bath bomb or something. I don't understand the name Pillow Battle. That's like a pillow fight's more intense, deadly cousin. It smells pretty good. It is pretty small though, but okay, that's something. Door number 3. I was trying to sound like that owl. Oh, okay. So next up here we have another Sephora branded product. And these are just 2 little sample packs of the Sephora Express Eye Makeup Remover Wipes. It has, oh, I thought it said cauliflower extract. I was like, that's new. Cornflower extract. So yeah, this is probably something that's not super exciting. I feel like these are samples that you could get for free with like a purchase or something. So this might not be the greatest, but at least there's 2 of them. Oh, I think I just split my nail. Oh, okay. Next up here, we have a little rolled up fella. At first I thought this was like a full squeezy tube of something, but this is a Sephora pineapple nose mask. I feel like masks are getting very, very specific. I've never seen a mask made specifically for the nose unless it was like some type of, you know, rip out the insides of your pores kind of thing. So this is the nose mask in pineapple. It's pretty small and you do just get 1 of them. 5. You better relax. Okay, so this just says Sephora, let's have fun. Don't know what it is. It's some type of package of something. Shower jelly. Okay, so this is a tiny little sample of shower jelly. Definitely like a one-time use kind of thing. I'm noticing that so far, besides the lipstick, everything is like very one-time use. Okay, number 6. It's a very like long, skinny little door here, so maybe it's like a lip gloss. That would be kind of fun. Okay, it's a something. All right, so we have another Sephora makeup product here. This is a lip liner to go, so it's a miniature lip liner. This is a very like vibrant red shade, pretty creamy. I don't know why I couldn't say that. Pretty creamy and smooth. It's also a very pretty red color, nice for like the holiday season. Again, very happy to see some like Sephora products in here. Actually, they're all Sephora products. This one makes so much more sense than the last one. We'll see though if it truly is like worth the price. Oh, I totally just like savagely ripped that door off. All right, number 7 is over here. What's that? Next in here, we have a singular little hair doodle. This is one of those like old school telephone cord looking hair ties. And you do just get like a singular one. They're nice and stretchy, could make a very stylish bracelet. My hair tends not to cooperate with these very well because it's so thin. Anyway, so yes, one of these singular little hair ties. Next door is 8, which is over here. It looks pretty big. Okay, so we have more of the same little eye makeup remover wipes. Alrighty, number 9. The next little treasure to pop out of this box is a eyeshadow from Sephora. This is the colorful number 204 Under the Cover eyeshadow. And it's just like a very pale kind of white silvery eyeshadow. All right, number 10. Oh, look at that, the creativity. Okay, so next up here we have another little fizzy star guy. This one is in the color shade Scent Beach Vibes. Next up we have door number 11 here, another skinny little door, so I'm wondering if there's gonna be another liner. Oh, I just ripped it. Ooh, paper cut, danger. So try not to just like jam your fingers into it because the cardboard is a little bit stiff and it could cut you. That being said, I can't get this out. Okay, so next here we have the Sephora eye pencil to go, and this is just like a black little pencil liner. I'm guessing a standard like sharpenable, yep, little wooden pencil. It's kind of dry. A little part of it just actually crumbled off right then. Not exactly like the blackest black I've ever seen, and it was not like super creamy and smooth. Okay, moving on to number 12. Oh, here it is. It's really tiny. I almost didn't see it. I don't know what it is yet, but it's kind of cute. Almost broke it. Okay, next up here is just a tiny little sparkly penguin like pin, and this is kind of cute. It really is. Would you expect to see something like this in a makeup box? Not really, but it's adorable. It's really cute. I do love penguins. I think they're so cute. I love how they like waddle around. Reminds me of me. Okay, number 13 is right next door. Hopefully it's a lucky number 13. No. So the next thing we have here is a instant nail polish remover wipe with peach extract. So we just got like a little wet nab there with some acetone on it. All right, number 14 is down here. And we have another little, oh, pillow battle. I don't understand. We have another little shower gel capsule here, again in the Pillow Battle fragrance, whatever a Pillow Battle smells like. 13, 14, 15. Because numbers. Alright, so 15 is right here. This would be like the perfect size for maybe like a mascara or like another lip product. But let's see. Oh, just ripped it again. Okay, this is just very brittle, sharp plastic cardboard. Okay, so next up we have another little mask here that's rolled up. This is a Sephora Shea lip mask. So we have a mask for our nose, a mask for our lips. All we need is some like boomerangs under the eyes and maybe like a full neck mask. I don't know if that exists or not, probably will soon. And we'll be ready to go. So this is the little sheet masks. I know that they do sell these individually at Sephora and I think they are like $5 or something. I don't know. But yeah, there's that. 16 is over here. The structural integrity is suffering a little bit because this entire portion was like crushed or something. Oh. Okay, so next up in here, it is really cute. It's just a little nail file. It's got little penguin feet. It is pretty cute, but this is just like a tiny little nail file. Stuff like this isn't super impressive to see in boxes like this. I know that they're trying to like up the perceived value of the box by adding additional items in, but like stuff like this is pretty inexpensive, so they can seem like there's more items actually in the box, so you're getting higher value while they don't actually have to invest much more money back into it. So there is that. Next up here we have number 17, which is down here, a very nicely shaped lipstick door. Gonna go ahead and say there's a lipstick in here. Stickers. At first I thought we were getting a lipstick, but no, it's just some nail stickers. Wait, are there enough for all of your hands? You know, your multiple numerous hands. This is a little set of nail stickers. They have like a star theme to them. They're very holographic. You have a full set for both of your hands and just one extra thumb in case you need that. Alrighty, number 18 is over here. Oh, it's a little egg. Okay, so next here we have another Sephora product. This is a color hit. Oh, it's a nail lacquer. I thought this was going to be like a lip oil or something, but this is a nail lacquer. It's in a pretty shade, very similar to the lip product. It is nice that we received an actual nail polish with the nail polish remover. That was going to be a super random thing to put in your nail polish. What? Thought this was going to be a very random thing to put in a box that didn't include like a nail polish. So that's pretty cute. I opened that door a total of 17 seconds ago and I do not remember which one it was. 19, okay. Oh, I wonder what this could be. Oh, that's another nose mask. Okay, so next up in here we have a charcoal it's a nose strip. So like a self-adhesive nose strip, kind of like Biore rip your skin off nose strips. You do only get one in here, which I'm sure you can just go to the store and buy like an entire box of Biore strips, but I guess you can try out these Sephora ones. Okay, we're on number 20 and this one says the giant gift. I'm gonna assume that has nothing to do with what's actually inside the box itself, but it would be nice if it was something, you know, like fancy. Well, she is kind of fancy because she's a penguin wearing some bright red lipstick and earmuffs. Again, pretty cute. I didn't know if it was a pop socket or what, but it's actually the world's smallest mirror. You could put this in your purse and then immediately lose it. So that's a fun thing that you could do. Okay, I mean, having a mirror is really nice, but this is like, you could localize one spot of your face maybe at a time to be able to actually use it, and especially if you're somebody with poor eyesight like you. Okay, next up is 21, which is over here. Again, it looks like a nice size for like a mascara or lip product, so that means it's probably a wrapped up little mask. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh! We have almost completed our full face of masks. So next up we have a grape eye mask. So you can wear your nose mask, your lip mask, your eye mask, your chin mask, all at the same time. 22 is up here in this corner. It's another little hair dangle. Okay, so again, we have another little hair tie thingy-mabob. This one is fancier because there's sparkles in it. So yeah, this one's clear with like some little silvery glitter to just give you that extra jazzy appearance that you want this holiday season. Okay, number 23 is up here. Again, maybe like a nice size for a lip product or something. Oh, and it actually is! Yay! Okay, so next we have a watermelon lip balm. Again, a Sephora product. I'm gonna assume all of these are Sephora products. It has a pretty cute outer packaging. It does have like a little bit of a tint to it as well, just kind of like a peachy tint. Oh, it smells ever so slightly of watermelon, so okay, this is nice. I'm glad there was another lip product in here because again, those are the things that are gonna make this box actually worth something instead of like these little one-time use kind of travel packets. Okay, moving on to the very last last door, day 24 of this advent calendar. Hopefully we're just gonna be wowed, knocked out of the park. Let's go ahead and see what door number 24 is here. It's very thin, so I'm gonna assume it's another pencil of some type, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'll just be absolutely blown away. What is it? I haven't looked yet. Oh my Atlanta. It's not a pencil. Did I get a paper cut in the same spot? The very last thing in here is a cream lip stain from Sephora. This is in the shade Pink Tea, which is confusing to me because this looks like the most gray liquid lipstick I've ever seen. I don't know, maybe it'll look a little bit different once I actually take off the plastic. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the back of the hand, and on the screen actually right now it is reading a little bit pink. For some reason my camera makes everything like more red than it actually is, but in real life this is almost like a pale purpley gray. I don't know if I could pull it off like just on its own, but I use colors like this a lot in mixing. Alright you guys, so that was the entire Sephora advent calendar, smushed box and all, and I have to say I think they've improved. I think they looked at last year and just thought, dang guys, we sent out some straight garbage, because that's kind of what it was. It literally was. It wasn't good at all. So my final thoughts on this is that yes, it was better than last year. It definitely 100% was better than last year. There's actually makeup in this one, which last year I don't think there was at all. And I do see some value in these items. Do I see $45 worth of value in these items? No, I'm not fully seeing the $45 price tag that they put onto it, and I think I don't know what value they say it actually has. Oh, fascinating. Okay, so I just went and looked at the page on Sephora's website. The calendar was originally $45, which is how much it was when I paid for it, but shockingly, surprisingly, they lowered the price to $22.50. Which, honestly, $22.50, yeah, I think that should be like the price point from the very beginning, to be fully honest. They say there's a $71 value in this box, and I can see that you get value from like these items here. $71? I don't really know how they like quantify stuff like this, little samples, or like nail stickers, this tiny little pin, this tiny little mirror. I don't know how much value they think these items hold. Also, can I say it's kind of like a strange assortment of items. Part of it seems adult and then part of it seems like for a younger audience. So you have like a gray liquid lip that I don't think most younger children would like. And then you have like a nose mask and eye masks. Younger audiences don't really need those. But then you got like this little pin. I don't know, that's all a little confusing to me. Apparently it's out of stock. Don't know if that's true or not. And it has a 1.9 star rating. Wow. So yeah, that was everything for the 2019 Sephora Advent Calendar. Do I think it's worth the $45 I paid for it? No ma'am. Do I think it's better than last year's calendar? Yes I do, but that's not really saying much because last year's calendar was really bad. If you haven't seen last year's calendar and you want to see it, totally fine, look it up, but don't watch my video on it. Don't do it. You can watch somebody else's video or the video I made recreating last year's calendar, but don't watch my video. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!